Hey guys, welcome to TJ's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade vanilla extract. Let's get started. All right, you'll just need three things for this. You'll need some vodka, some jars with a lid on it. You can use a mason jar. I like these because they're easier to pour out of. And some vanilla beans. I have grade A from Madagascar. Just means that they're juicier and filled with more seeds. I'm going to split my vanilla beans down the middle to reveal the seeds inside. This way you get little specks of vanilla beans throughout your vanilla. You're going to do this to all of your beans. You will need 1 bean per 2 ounces of vodka. My glass bottles are 8 ounces, so I will need 4 beans per bottle. Now I'm just placing the vanilla beans into my clean glass bottles. Again, I am doing 4 beans per bottle. I am using a funnel here to help me get the vodka into the glass bottles. If you don't have one, you can freestyle this. You just might make a little bit of a mess, but no worries. You're just going to fill it all the way to the top, making sure that it's covering the vanilla beans. Now, make sure to give this a really good shake to release the beans and the flavor from the vanilla beans. You're going to want to shake these at least every 2 weeks. The longer you let the vanilla beans sit into the vodka, the stronger the vanilla taste will be. So I recommend waiting at least 6 months before using this vanilla. These ones I did 2 weeks prior. You can see how the color gets a lot deeper, and it's just going to keep doing that the longer you let it sit. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.